I'm Kate and my business is Chatty Cycle.
Hi, my name is Dom Himes. I'm the founder director of Tiny Man Digital.
Hi, I'm Stella.
I'm ELIEZ.
My name is Beth.
Hi, my name is Bhavna and welcome to the East London Inclusive Enterprise Zone, also known as ELISE. We are a specially designed programme for change makers, business leaders and entrepreneurs who are either disabled or whose work focuses on accessibility.
ELISE is a 1.2 million square foot technology campus, and it was designed to encourage collaboration and innovation through the use of technology. The ELISE initiative is vital in bringing together local universities, businesses and community members alike to drive forward genuine innovation in accessibility and inclusion, which is a key priority for our campus.
ELISE has been hugely important for us over the course of the last 18 months. It gives us the opportunity to underline our efforts in disability-led innovation, but also offers some serious proof points and ability to engage the communities we're trying to work with closely.
Launched in 2020, we selected 30 entrepreneurs to take part in a 6-month-long programme which included a series of workshops, a boot camp provided by Loughborough University London, mentoring, as well as workspace provided by Plexel.
At Give Vision, we develop wearables to support the visually impaired, to see better, and to engage with daily living activities.
Are you all right? Yeah. Are you just really pleased?
The best thing with ELIEZ is the fact that it's formed of companies like us working in the field of disabilities and building solutions to empower people with disabilities or to use tech to make their life easier.
As a founder of a business, I have a vision and an idea as to what I'd like it to be, but often it's the gaps in my knowledge that stop us from getting there. So actually the ELISE programme has been really helpful in filling in the gaps and ensuring the best possible solutions for my business as it goes forward.
Impact is a social enterprise that's helping Black and Black neurodiverse people get into the careers that they deserve.
So being on this program was just really key for our development in terms of just having a community of other businesses that were just starting or a bit more advanced in their journey. And it was just really, really, really good for us just to be around these different businesses, to be able to learn, share ideas and to just grow.
I was a latecomer to the ELIEZ program, but since participating, I've come on leaps and bounds. My business has accelerated no end and my knowledge has really dramatically increased.
It's been incredible to see a new generation of diverse entrepreneurs and innovators grow, especially at such challenging times. Our cohort have been helping to transform the business of accessible innovation in and around the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park.
Tiny Man Digital was born out of the pandemic and the realisation that businesses now need to take a digital first approach to their marketing. For me, ELISE was an amazing opportunity to join a community of like-minded businesses and open up my networking opportunities and ability to really connect with businesses that were able to help me grow, progress and ultimately succeed at Tiny Man Digital.
The program started in April 2019, and when I heard about ELIEZ, I was so excited. The best thing about it is the ability to connect with other founders that are focused on the same cause. So very rarely do you see a bunch of founders that are interested in disability and accessibility.
As a disabled entrepreneur, it can sometimes feel like an uphill battle and like you're the only person navigating certain barriers. And so for me, having the opportunity to meet other entrepreneurs who understand and having workshops with leaders who can give advice, it just means so refreshing.
I'm very much at the research and development stage, and it's really helped me kind of look at the roadmap that I have ahead of me and know what steps I need to take and where I'd like to be, and it's just helped completely consolidate that plan. Yeah, I've got more of a vision of where I need to go, so thank you.
I think it's so important that we have a movement around inclusive innovation and we actually focus on designing for all groups of people, and I'm very happy to be a part of this movement.
Being part of the ELISE programme has really helped us connect with people who are doing incredible things in the inclusivity and accessibility space, and to really keep accessibility and inclusivity front of mind in everything we're designing for our product.
ELISE got me into the community of like-minded entities and gave me the support and resources I need to flourish in what would otherwise have been quite turbulent times.
Being part of the East London Inclusive Enterprise Zone has been an incredible journey for Loughborough University London. We feel like we've really offered some great stuff. We've met some great companies. So thank you very much for involving us, and thanks very much for listening to this video.
For us, what's been really important as part of the legacy of 2012 and the work we've done around the Global Disability Innovation Hub, but also in partnerships such as the ELIEZ programme, is to retain the importance of the principles of the 2012 Games as the area moves forward.
The potential for ELISE is enormous. We can not only create a cluster and a community of interest in East London, but we can also show the rest of the world how important disability-led innovation and inclusion is in driving forward both inclusive growth, economic growth, social regeneration and prosperity.